Chapter Lesson 11. Nehivrika, the numbers. Iver is a number. An iver. Nehivrika is the plural. And unklug, the clock. So we're doing some simple counting here. A hain, a do, a tree, a ceathair, a cúig, a sé, a seacht, a hocht, a ní, a de, a hain déag, a dó déag. Notice that a particle before the numbers puts an H before vowel, a hain. But that's about it. Everything else follows a simple pattern. 11, the jig is without a lenition. On 12, a do yig is with a lenition. You'll learn more about that later. And then we can use these numbers to tell time. Tashe ahen a chlug, meaning of the clock. They give you some other patterns. Lahur, a half hour. An ur is an hour. La is half. Lahur, teresh ado, after 2 o'clock. Ceathrú, a quarter. Teresh, a 3, after 3. Ceathrú chun a sé, before 6. So a quarter to 6. And they give you a couple more verbs similar to what we've seen before. They give you a couple of other time phrases. Gach lo, gach icha, gach majin. That means every day, every evening, every morning. And a few more random vocabulary words, nouns, just so you can make more sentences. Brickfasta, on diner, on supper, on loan, on te. Don't ask me the difference between dinner and supper. I don't know. So anyway, that's pretty much what's in this chapter. And then they ask, the question kahin, which is when. We've seen that before. And there's just a few things to practice, mainly the counting and telling time with numbers. So practice. Use that all the time. You should practice that every day in your head, all the time. Enjoy.